Hello, friends. I'm Dr. Tamim. I'm here with Dr. Mahesh. He's got a very good rank in the recently conducted NICT. Mahesh, please introduce yourself. What's your rank in your college?
My name is Dr. Mahesh Kumar KS. I have secured a rank of 66 in recent November 2021 INICT, and I come from Mandya Institute of Medical Sciences.
So I think Mandya Institute of Medical Sciences is becoming a big name because almost every interview I'm taking, there are people within the top 100 coming from Mandya. So I think your college is setting high standards. Great, and I think it's a relatively new college, isn't it?
Yes, sir. It's opened in 2006.
Okay, so I think you people are really doing every batch is really doing very, very well. That's fantastic. That should definitely boost your juniors to live up to the trends that you have set. Great.
Yes.
So Mahesh, when did you start preparing for entrances and how was your preparation?
Sir, actually, we didn't have any idea about this entrance preparation during our MBBS course. Like actually, those people who live in Mysore or Bangalore, they will have the accessibility to the coaching centers. But we didn't know much about the coaching classes and all. Sir, we started after the internship, sir.
Okay.
In 2020, March, I joined DBMCI, Bangalore, batch 1. And after that, my journey
Preparation
started.
started. So I think in Bangalore this time we had online classes rather than the face-to-face. So how do you find the online classes?
Sir, because we couldn't compare because we didn't had the live-to-live classes only.
Correct.
We directly had the online classes, but we didn't felt much difference in that. It was fine for us. It was good only, sir.
Great.
Because we are sitting in the comfort of our home and room. We can adjust our timing, classes timings, and food. Everything. It was good for us.
Great. So I think 66 is an amazingly good rank. You must have given the NEET. How was your NEET rank?
My NEET rank is 2,556, sir.
Okay, so 2,500 to again you have improved now to come to this good rank.
Yes.
So Mahesh, how many hours do you think somebody should study to get your kind of rank?
Sir, actually, studying means you have to study minimum 10 to 12 hours. Sir. Like exact for studying purpose, you should sit for 10 to 12 hours. During that, you will study around 8 to 9 hours. You will study. If you sit for 10 to 12 hours, you will study for 8 to 9 hours. Sir.
Great. So what advice would you give for your juniors? One important advice I'm sure is that it's better if they start in undergraduation itself because there's a very tough competition.
Yes, sir.
But I think still, even though you started post internship, you've really done remarkably well and you have achieved very good ranks. So what important thing you'd like to tell your undergraduates? I mean your juniors.
Sir, undergraduate, few years back, it was not the trend we used to start from third year or second year. From recent year, during now, it's been trend they will start from second year, third year only. But we, myself and our batchmates all started after the internship only. Still, we are able to get a good rank. It's personal choice, sir. Like if they want to enjoy some part in the internship, they can enjoy. After that, they can start. What I think is, sir, that it's not about the duration, sir. It's about the intensity. Even if you start from second year or third year, if you study bit and leave some gap and study bit, it won't help, sir. If you're starting your preparation, it must be intense preparation. Like when you started, you must be thorough with everything. Like you should be constantly revising the things. Otherwise, it won't help that much, sir. If you start from second year, third year, again, if you leave the studying in internship, it won't help, according to me, sir.
Right, great. So, what subjects you found in DBMCI are very, very beneficial for you?
Sir, actually, so many subjects, sir. We'll start from medicine. We heard your class first, online classes, sir. First class only, we were interested into all the subjects. And besides classes, you also teach how to solve MCQs and how to cope up with MCQs. Even if you don't know the answer also, how to arrive to the answer, you will teach that better during the live classes, sir. Like you will take a question and you will approach the question. That helped me a lot, sir.
Okay. Any other faculties?
Sir, microbiology, Dr. Nasir, sir. His notes are you can revise microbiology, that's the tough subject in 2 to 3 days only. I can see the difference with my other friends who are taking doing the same subject from other platforms or other coaching institute. I can see the difference, sir. They used to struggle with microbiology and anatomy subject, and one more subject is anatomy, sir. Dr. Ashwini, sir. Okay. And of course for motivation and all, Dr. Rajat Jain, sir. Like surgery, Jaya Arora, sir, is there. So many, sir. Pediatrics, sir, is also good.
Okay. So you found most of the faculties up to your liking?
Yeah, sir. All the faculties were up.
Great. So if you see basically for your college now, you have set very high standards. Like
Ah,
I think every
yes.
batch of you is doing very well, and it's a
Yeah.
relatively new college.
Yes, sir.
So if your juniors are there, what advice would you give them? First of all, I think one advice is to aim high. So
Yes,
you're all
yeah,
aiming for
yeah,
INICT.
yeah, yes.
Straight.
Yeah,
Great.
I would like to give that advice, sir. Everyone should aim high only. Even if you are able to reach it or not, you have to aim high only. Then only at least you see the possibility of happening it. Even if you take my example only, I have given, this is my fourth INICT. Like I gave first in June 2020, again in November. In November, I got a rank of 2300. In July session, I got a rank of 700. And this time I got a rank of 666.
I think you were lucky that the NEET
Yeah, sir,
exam
yeah,
got postponed. So you got to write 2 more INICTs.
yeah, but but the other people who are coming batches, they won't get this privilege or this kind of opportunities, because they will have only one INI or two INICT. After that, NEET will come, NEET will happen, and then whatever they will get, they will take the seat.
They'll take. So I think that's the reason why it might be better to start preparing.
Preparing early.
Undergraduation.
Undergraduation better.
Plus the next exam is coming.
Yeah.
So particularly your juniors, you definitely need to advise them to start early and start consistently.
Yeah, sir. For these kind of exams, it was like it was okay if you start from after the internship. For next means it's after final year only. For that you have to start. I think from first year. After the first year only you have to start. I think, sir.
So I think Madan also was from Mandya Institute of Medical Science.
Sir. Madan
And
Ramesh.
Ramesh also. Yes. Great. I think it's been a pleasure, and I'm sure you are doing great, and you'll have a great career in your future. Plus, you've really inspired your entire college. I'm sure your juniors also will love to, reach up to those kind of great heights.
Okay.
So, huge congratulations, Mahesh.
Thank you,
And any final words from your side?
Sir, I would like to thank my parents and all the friends who motivated me in my hard times. Like after the NEET, what the rank I got, it was like it was not that good for me according to my preparation. So during that time I was a bit low. Again, my friends who are already doing in PG in Central Institute, they spoke to me and they motivated me. All my friends, they motivated me. I would like to thank all my friends.
Great. So, congratulations to you once again.
Okay, sir.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir.